This Coldwell Banker Lake Oconee Realty / Lake Country property video is presented by Lamar Callaway. Very nice property, just 3 miles west of Greensboro, on Highway 278. Nicely rolling property, creek on the back of the property. Over 1,300 feet of frontage on Highway 278, and over 750 feet on Richland Creek. Huge trees, hardwoods and pines. Loaded with wildlife, deer and turkey. Great location, just 2 miles to Lake Oconee, 1 hour from Atlanta, 1 hour from Augusta, and 45 minutes to Athens. For more information, review the details below or contact Lamar Callaway at 706-252-8020.